right there is the entrance. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Christina Goody's Car Wash Vlogs. This time I am up on Manal. I am near Chelwood Park Boulevard, and on the way to film the whale level wash up on Montgomery, out of the corner of my eye, I spot this car wash over here, which has a LaserWash 4000. I haven't done a LaserWash 4000 in quite a while, actually. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and pay for a wash. Deposit $10. Verifying card. Sale approved. Alright, let's head in. This machine, it looks like it's not in the greatest shape, but we shall soon find out. Never judge a book by its cover. And this machine has a treadle. That's all right. Kind of used to treadles anyway. I'll go ahead and stay quiet unless necessary. The sensors for the rear are not working. I'm actually kind of shocked at how well this machine is performing. Car's soaking light is on. Next time I'm up in the area, I'll do an outside view, but I'll be just outside of the bay because of those lighted pictograms right at the entrance there. It reminds me of the Pick Quick stations that I used to go to back in Las Cruces. Despite these sensors not working for the back of the car, it's actually doing pretty good. See if it holds out that long. These LaserWash 4000 systems were pretty reliable back in the day. Car's soaking light is back on now. It's gonna be time for our high pressure. That's actually quieter than I expected. I tried to show you that freely rotating arm that applies the chemicals to the machine. We have Tri-Foam. It's lighting up clear coat protectant. Pretty solid for a 4000. Have an empty pass getting back. That does tend to happen. It still says clear coat protectant. Light went out. I hardly ever saw any residue in the Tri-Foam. You know, I'm actually shocked at how well this machine is working, despite its appearance. I'm pretty sure the light is burnt out, but I'm pretty sure this is our spot free. These systems were introduced back in 1989. Normally with a LaserWash 4000, you wouldn't have a Tri-Foam. You would just have a colored protectant coming out of the arm. That's what I've seen in the past. And I'm gonna let you guys hear the dryer starting up. Oh, now it's the spot free. Okay. That was almost an epic fail. Look, looks like that last pass had to be like a sealant or something. Even though the inside of the building is a little rustic, I actually do like the design of the building, or the design of the bay. It really gives it that type, a classic feel. Okay, now I can put my car in gear. "38 seconds. That is quite the bump. Getting out of there. It's almost like a mini trench. Anyway, despite the appearance of the system, it actually did a really good job. Like I said, I am shocked at how well this machine performed. Well, here's Wantabo Boulevard coming up, so I thank you very much for watching this. Have a very good day, y'all, and we will see you all next time. Bye now.